गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। मैं दीपक फ्रॉम राजीव गांधी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन भिवानी। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बस एंड मेमोरी ट्रांसफ़र। लास्ट टॉपिक पर जो हमने डिस्कस किया था वो था रजिस्टर ट्रांसफ़र लैंग्वेज, जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था कि एक रजिस्टर से कंटेंट दूसरे रजिस्टर में जब हम ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं तो जिन सिंबॉलिक नोटेशंस को यूज़ करते हैं तो हम रजिस्टर ट्रांसफ़र लैंग्वेज के बारे में सीखते थे वहाँ पर। आज हम फर्दर इस टॉपिक को डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस ऑन द बस एंड मेमोरी ट्रांसफ़र। व्हाट इज़ ए बस? Bus consists of set of common lines, one for each bit of register, through which binary information is transferred one at a time. Control signals determine which register is selected by the bus during a particular register transfer. We can say simple words, a bus is a consist of set of wires. A bus consists of set of wires in which each wire responsible for transfer the one bit information at a time. And there is a control signals which determine which register is selected for the data transfer. So you can see in the diagram, as whenever we construct a bus, we can construct a bus in two ways. One through the multiplexer, one through the tri-state buffer. Firstly, we discuss on the bus construction through the multiplexer. It constructed such like in this diagram. You have the four multiplexer. Each multiplexer of 4 into 1. It means that a multiplexer, it have 4 input and 1 output line. In similar, whenever we use multiplexer, we know that it have the 2 set line also, as 2 की power n equal to m. What is the 2 की power n equal to m? 2 की power n equal to m, where 2 की power n equal to m, where m is input lines and n is select lines. In this case, we have 4 input lines. It means 2 की power n equal to 4 as 2 की power 2. Whenever base is equal, then we can say n equal to 2. It means we have the 2 set lines. We already discussed this topic in a multiplexer. So here in a bus construction, we have the 4 multiplexer as a 4 into 1 size, and 4 register of the 4 bit. 4 register, and each register have the 4 bit as 0, 1, 2, 3, as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the 4 register as a register A, as a register B, as a register C, and as a register D. We connect the third pin of the register D connect with the multiplexer third pin. In a similar, third pin of register C connect with the multiplexer pin 2. Similarly, we connect third pin of register B connect with the multiplexer pin 1, and third pin of register A connect with the multiplexer pin 0. You can say it is a first register, it is a second register, it is a third multiplexer, sorry, it is a fourth multiplexer. It is a first multiplexer, it is a second multiplexer, it is a third multiplexer, it is a fourth multiplexer. In a similar fashion, we can connect all other pin also. In similar fashion, we can connect all other pin also. Whenever we discuss this working, we have the S1 and S0. There are two selection line as a S1 and S2 are connected to the selection input of the 4 multiplexer. The selection lines choose the 4 bit of one register and transfer them into the 4 line common bus. We know that whenever we have the two input, we have 4 possible states as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. In this case, whenever both selection line are at low logic, it means S1 and S0 is 0, 0. Then the zero data inputs of all 4 multiplexer are selected and applied to the output that forms the bus. You can see in this, whenever S1 and S2 is 0, 0, it means 0, 0 pin is activated, 0 for it, 0 for it, 0 for it, 0 for it. And similarly, if S1 and S0 select 1, 1 data, it means 3. So third pin of this register, third pin of this multiplexer, third pin of this, third pin of. What it means? It means that third pin is connected with the register D, and third pin of this multiplexer D2 is connected with the D2, and D1 connect with the D1, and D2 connect with the 0, D0 connect with the D0. What it means? It means whenever selection line select 1, 1 input, it select the register D data on the bus. Bus and memory transfers. This in turn cause bus line. This in turn causes the bus line to receive the content of register A, since the output of this register connected to the data 0 inputs of the multiplexer. In a similar way, whenever S1 and S0 select the 0, 1 data as input, then register B is selected. Whenever S1 and S0 select 1, 0 input line, it select register C. And whenever S1 and S0 select 1, 1 as input, it select D register. The following function table show the register that is selected by the bus and each of the 4 possible binary values of the selection line. देखिए आप इसमें S1 and S0, these are the two selection lines, two variables. It means it's have the 4 possible state 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And as we discussed in previous slide, whenever S1 and S0 select 0, 0, it select the register 8 content. Whenever S1 and S0 select 0, 1 input, it select the register B. Whenever S1 and S0 select the 1, 0, it select the data of C register. And whenever S1 and S0 select the 1, 1 input, it select the D register. A bus can also be constructed using the 3 state gates instead of the multiplexer. In the starting of this PPT, we discussed that a bus constructed by the two methods, by the two ways. One method is through the multiplexer, one method is through the tri-state buffer. So now we can be construct the bus through the tri-state buffer. What is tri-state buffer? It is a manufacturing such like it is a three state. It is a simple input and give the simple output unit, and it is a control function. It is a it is a control function. Whenever its control signals give 1, it means that output is logically connected with the input, and whenever c equal to 0, it means output is totally disconnected with the input and at the high impedance state, and output and the circuit in the high impedance state. Now discuss, read out it. A bus system can also be constructed using the three-state gates instead of the multiplexer. The three-state gates can be considered as a digital circuit that has three gates, two of which are signals equivalent to logic 1 and 0, and as in a conventional gate. However, the third gate exhibits a high impedance state. The most commonly used three-state gates in a case of bus system is a buffer gate. The graphical symbol of three-state buffer gates can be represented as, whenever we have the normal inputting as a, it gives the normal output as a y. Whenever this normal input b have the value 1, whenever b equal to 1, this circuit give simple output as their inputting a. But whenever b equal to 0, it give output at the high impedance state, or we can say that y at that time logically disconnect with the input a. It means their y have no any meaning, there is no any importance, there is no any authorities, there is no any legalizations of this y. It is a high impedance state. Now the following diagram demonstrated the construction of a bus system with three-state buffer. We have a decoder 2 into 4. It means 2 input line and it have 4 output line as a 0, 1, 2, 3. And we connect all these lines through the tri-state buffer and the third state of buffer three-state gate. In each, A is a simple normal inputting any content of register A, and it is a normally y, any output y, and this is a control signal which is connected with the 0 output. Similarly, B is a register which have the normal output line, and one is the control function line which is connected with the 1. Another is the register C which have the normal inputting as a C and normal outputting as a y, and it is connected with the 2. Similarly, 3 is connected with the D register through the tri-state buffer gate. In this case, whenever we take this select line as a S0 and S0 and S1, S0 and S1, it has the 4 possible state S0 and S1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Whenever this select line select 0, 0, it means this output line is selected. It means it is a 1. Whenever this control line is 1, it means another 3 buffer are 0. Other control function of all 3 state buffer is 0. It means whatever output we get as a y, it is of the A inputting, A register content, because all other output is logically disconnect or the high impedance state. Similarly, whenever S0 and S1 have 1, 0 signal, it means 2 pin is output pin is selected and this is one, and another, and others output line, control function line is logically 0. It means y output of all other three tri-state buffer is logically disconnect or in the high impedance state, and only valuable of the second output, that is C register. C register is content is loaded on the bus. So output generated by the four buffers are connected to a form of single bus line. Only one buffer can be active state at a given point of time. The control inputs of the buffers determine which of the four normal input will communicate with the bus line. In this example, we take a 2 into 4 decoder. Ensure that no more than one control function is activated at a given point of time. Most of the standard notation used for specifying the operation on the memory transfer are stated below. The transfer of information from a memory unit to the user end is called the read operation. We know that whenever we talk about the memory, it has the two major operation. One is the read, another is the write operation. Whenever something taken from the memory, it is a read operation. Whenever something is write in the memory, it is a write operation. The transfer of a new information to be stored in the memory, the transfer of new information to be stored in the memory is called a write operation. Something write in the memory is a write operation. Whenever a memory word is designated by the letter M, we must specify the address of a memory word while writing memory transfer operation. The address register is determined by AR and data register is designated by DR. Thus, a read operation can be stated as read operation, that MAR, it means memory at which location, which is provided by the address AR. A memory location at this address, which is provided by the address register, transfer their content to DR, data register. It means something out from the memory, it is a read operation. The read statement causes the transfer of information into the data register from the memory. It is known as a read operation. And the corresponding writing operation can be stated as write M, in which the write statement causes the transfer of information from register R1 into the memory word M selected by the address register. R1 goes into it is a MAR. Memory, on which memory? Which is provided by the AR register. It is simply diagram. AR address register. These are the two memory operation, read and write. It is a memory unit. Data out and data in. Thank you everyone.